Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Gorenje Oven in 2026. Now in order to unlock it, first of all you just have to simply locate the start and the stop button, and if on your model you will have the cancel or the clear button, you just have to simply press and hold it for at least 3 to 5 seconds. On many of the Gorenje ovens, this particular step is going to remove the lock and the key symbol will be disappeared from the display. Now, if your oven has touch control with the left and the right arrows, you just have to simply press those arrows. You need to hold both navigation buttons together for a few seconds, and this way you will be able to basically do it. Now, some of the Gorenje ovens use a different unlock combination. So in it, you just have to first of all press the light button, and you need to also press the start button. So you need to press the light button and the start buttons together for at least 3 seconds until the lock icon disappears. Now once it is unlocked, the key icon or the safe message or the LOC symbol should disappear completely from the screen. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.